How to navigate the Netflix interface. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To navigate the Netflix interface, launch a Netflix account in your device. Then tap on your account to sign in. Once you are in your account, you will see your home page over here. In the homepage, you will find the latest shows and movies that you can binge watch. If not, and if you are looking for a particular series, just tap on the search bar, which will be at the top right corner. You can also filter your TV shows, movies, and also categorize them on the basis of genre. Now at the bottom, if you find, you will see some of the latest icons such as games and new and hot. In the games, you will find some of the games that you can play using your Netflix account. So you can tap on any and enjoy your gameplay as well. In the new and hot, you will find the latest launch that you can see. So you can find some of the latest movies, shows, and more contents over here. If you need to find your My List and your download, it has been shifted to My Netflix. If you tap on the My Netflix option, you will see the download option, then My List. Over here, you'll be able to find every shows and movies you have downloaded so far or added in your watch list or your My List. And that is all for the video as well. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you.